Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into two major upcoming releases from DJI, the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6 and the rumored DJI Pocket 4. Leaked photos and new information have just surfaced, sparking excitement and debate across the tech world. Let's break down what we know so far and what we can realistically expect. So let's start with the DJI Osmo Action 6, the follow-up to the much-loved Osmo Action 5 Pro. New photos have just emerged, thanks to DJI's FCC confidentiality agreement finally expiring after 180 days. And while we're all playing detective, zooming in, pixel peeping, and analyzing every angle, there's still a lot we don't officially know. According to reliable insiders like Hakasushi and Quadron News, what we're seeing might not represent the final product design. So don't rush out and get that Action 6 tattoo just yet. Still, these new visuals give us a lot to speculate on. At first glance, the Osmo Action 6 maintains the dual-screen setup, one on the front and one on the rear, just like its predecessor. This design has proven popular with vloggers and action shooters who need front-facing framing options. The lens module on the front appears robust and maybe even slightly larger, suggesting potential enhancements to optics or internal stabilization. But what's really catching people's attention is a mysterious pill-shaped feature located just beneath the front display. No one knows for sure what it does yet. It could be a new microphone, a dedicated LED indicator, or possibly a new type of sensor. Maybe even something thermal or infrared for extreme sports or night filming. Until DJI confirms it, your guess is as good as ours. Now here's where things get juicy. Two different battery sizes have been spotted, 1,170 mAh and 1,950 mAh. That's a clear indicator that DJI might be planning two versions of the Osmo Action 6, a standard edition and a possible Osmo Action 6 Pro 1770 mAh battery, likely for the base model, offering affordability and compact portability, 950 mAh. Battery. This capacity matches the current Action 5 Pro, suggesting this could be part of a high-performance Pro version, possibly featuring extended battery life, higher frame rates, or more advanced shooting options. Such a dual-variant strategy would mirror what DJI has done in other product lines, like the Mini versus Mini Pro drones, giving consumers flexibility based on their use case and budget. If the Osmo Action 6 wants to truly shine in today's competitive action cam market, it needs to push boundaries. Here's what we hope DJI will deliver. Improved low-light performance. This is a must. The Action 5 Pro was decent, but still struggled under poor lighting. Enhancements here would make the Action 6 far more versatile, especially for underwater or night adventure filming. Higher video resolutions and frame rates. We might see 6K video at 30 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS, helping DJI stand toe-to-toe with GoPro's Hero 12 Black and upcoming Hero 13 Black. Next-gen image stabilization. The Action 5 Pro's Rocksteady was solid, but there's always room for smoother results. Expect DJI to refine its electronic stabilization and possibly blend it with new sensor-based gyro controls. Enhanced audio capture. With more creators ditching external mics, built-in directional or multi-mic setups could provide better wind. Reduction and spatial audio. Smart features with AI. Following market trends, DJI might implement intelligent scene recognition, smart horizon leveling, or even automated editing options built into the app ecosystem. We've been tracking this camera since its FCC filing back in December 2024, when many speculated it would launch in early 2025. That didn't happen, but now that the confidentiality period has expired, the release is likely just around the corner. If DJI sticks to its usual rapid product cycles, expect an official reveal and global release in mid to late 2025. While everyone's talking about the Action 6, don't sleep on the DJI Pocket 4. This pocket-sized gimbal camera may be getting the most radical upgrade in the product line's history. The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a slightly bulkier build, clocking in at around 190 grams, and a significantly larger 2.5-inch rotatable touchscreen. That's a noticeable jump from the 2-inch screen on the Pocket 3, and it's expected to come with 480x800 resolution and 800 nits of brightness, which is fantastic for outdoor usability. The heart of the Pocket 4 could be a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. If true, this would result in significantly improved low-light performance, sharper detail, and broader dynamic range. We're also hearing whispers of ActiveTrack 7.0, which could blend eye tracking with scene recognition to provide hyper-accurate subject tracking. While the gimbal already provides excellent mechanical stabilization, DJI may take it a step further with a new hybrid algorithm combining mechanical and electronic stabilization, similar to the rock-steady tech used in the Action. Line-leaked specs suggest DJI has seriously improved power efficiency and heat control. A new fast-charging system could fully juice up the Pocket 4 in 25 minutes, a big step up from the 32-minute Pocket 3. The battery itself is rumored to be larger than 300mm AirC, and the new thermal system could allow for extended shooting in warm environments without overheating, something creators will definitely appreciate. If DJI follows its typical 3-year upgrade cycle, the DJI Pocket 4 should land in late 2026 or early 2027. That might seem far off, but given the feature set, DJI is clearly positioning this as a next-generation creative tool, not just a minor refresh. Pricing leaks suggest $699 for the base model, $799 for the creator combo, which may include accessories like a wireless mic, tripod handle, and ND filters. Final thoughts. If even half of these rumors prove true, both the Osmo Action 6 and DJI Pocket 4 will be game changers in their respective markets. DJI continues to iterate quickly, responding to community feedback, improving performance, and pushing smart features that actually make a difference.